My name is Hedda and I'm studying the MSc in Human Resource Management here at Strathclyde. Once I got into Strathclyde, it appealed to me, and I also got the scholarship here, which made it a lot more easy to choose between the universities. And I'm really happy about the decision, and I felt like it was I was really lucky to get in here, and I'm very happy to end up at Strathclyde because it's been a great experience so far. It's been very useful to just be in a classroom and have holding presentations in a second language. In the beginning, you're kind of insecure about your skills, but the more you do it, the more confident you get. So yeah, I feel like the socializing and the networking within and outside uni as well. I already have a master's degree in teacher education from back in Norway, but after this year I really got hooked on the HR topics, and it was a lot more interesting than I thought it was going to be as well. So since spring I've mostly applied to HR jobs, and I really want to try HR, at least give it a shot.